फ्रैक्शन से. So as you all know that the fraction chapter was the one of the easiest chapter I can say, which we have done it because you are studying fractions from right from class third, fourth, fifth, then sixth as well. So सबसे पहले you are always remember that fraction is a number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. ठीक है, and p and q both are natural numbers. Now my question comes to you only. Can you tell me 0 is a fraction or not? Answer in the chat box. 0 is a fraction or not? Answer in the chat box. This was taught by me many of the times. Is it a fraction or not? Very good. The correct answer is no. 0 does not include in the form of fraction. Now, can anyone write it down the answer as well, that why it is not calculated in a fraction form? Why we don't call 0 as a fraction? Look at here to the board. The definition says that the number should be written in the form of p by q. ठीक है, हमने 0 by 1 लिख लिया. We have written it 0 by 1 in the form of fraction. Okay, that is fine. But the question says that p and q means numerator and denominator both are natural numbers in the form of fractions. But here 1 is a natural number, but 0 is not. 0 is not coming in the series of natural number. That's why 0 is not a fractional number. Always remember, this is the logical answer which you
0 is a
need
part
to
of a
give
whole
every
number,
time.
not a natural number.
Yes. Now moving on to the next thing, that fractions are always written into its simplest form. Fraction should always be written into its simplest form only. For example, if the question comes 18 by 42 and you need to convert this one into the standard form or the simplest form. Remember, एक होता है simplest और एक होता है standard. Both are same. The question comes always या तो आप लिखिए simplest form में या तो आप लिखिए standard form में. So always remember, when you are writing into the simplest form or standard form, there are two ways. First way, either you simply cut by remembering any table, ठीक है? Or the second way is you just take out the HCF of these two numbers, that is numerator and denominator, and divide that number by that particular number only. Here, this question comes in the exam. First way, by cutting normally, like सबसे पहले 2 से cut होगा तो it will give you 2 9s are 18 and this will give you 21. ठीक है? Then again this number can cut by 3 because both the number comes in the table of 3. So it will give you 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. So the answer comes 3 by 7. ठीक है? Another form, that by using the SCF method. How will you do the method of SCF? 18 लिया आपने, 27 लिया आपने, now 18 1s are 18 यहाँ पर आया. Now 17 में से 8 जाएगा, you will get it 9. No, sorry, एक मिनट ना, 9. It will be 9, and then this will be 18 coming inside. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Sorry, I am taking. हाँ, गलत किया ना, हाँ. This number is 42. Sorry, I took it 27. That is why I was confused. Why 9 is answer coming? 42 we have to take. No, we are taking it SCF of 18 and 42 we are cutting. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 18 2s are 36 and it will give you 12 में से 6 क्या बचेगा हमारे पास 6. Then this number will come inside. Then it will give you 6 3s are 18. Now solve it. And we are getting the SCF as 6. We are getting the SCF as 6. Now what we will do, according to our process, the SCF is 6. So what we need to do, 18 and 42 both can be divided by 6 directly. And when you will divide it by 6, 6 3s are 18 and 6 7s are 42. Remember, in both the cases, answer will remain same, 3 by 7, 3 by 7 only. Okay. So this is the way of writing into. So this question now I am explaining it to you, and which will be related to addition and subtraction of fractions. Now suppose the question is 3 whole 1 by 3 plus 2 whole 5 by 7 minus 1 whole 1 by 2. Now you can see I have taken this question in the form of addition also and subtraction also, ताकि हम एक साथ में आपको दोनों मेथड बता सकूं, ठीक है? Now always remember, when the number in the form of fractions, the first form is to convert, you to just check it that whether they are written in proper or improper or mixed. So you can see this question is written in the form of mixed fractions. So सबसे पहला काम रहेगा that you need to convert it. How will you convert it? 3 3s are 9, 9 1 10, 10 by 3 plus 2 7s are 14, 14 5 19, 19 by 7 minus 2 1s are 2, 2 1 3, 3 by 2. This was the first step which we have done it right now. Okay? Now the next method will be to have the LCM as a common LCM. So अगर आप check करोगे that in all the denominators there are somewhere 3, somewhere 7, somewhere 2. So you need to have a common denominator for solving this question further. Okay? So what we need to do, we will just have the LCM of this two. So answer will be, you can see all numbers are prime. So LCM will give you here 42 directly. Okay? So I am taking the LCM would be here 42. Now if you must be remembering the method of नीचे divide ऊपर multiply. Okay. So remember the LCM was 42, और अगर आपको याद होगा the next process is नीचे divide ऊपर multiply. How will you do that? 3 and 42. When we will divide the process, we will use the process of division. You will be knowing that we will get it 14. 14 3s are 42 comes because. So 14 आया, and 14 का multiply when you have done it with 10, it will give you 140. Written this. Now this is the sign of plus. I have put here the sign of plus. Now you must be seeing here that 7 and 42. 7 6 are 42 comes, है ना? 7 6 are 42 comes. So यहाँ पे आ गया 6. Now 19 6 जा. Can you tell me what is 19 6 जा?
144.
19 6 जा what? 102.
102.
I was just checking that whether you know the table or not. Okay. Now minus means minus. Again the next process, that नीचे divide. So then here 2 and 20, 42 you will get it 21, and 21 3s are 63. Okay, now we have received this one. Now the next process which we need to do it will be addition first. Addition जब आप करेंगे you will get it 242 minus 63 divided by 42. Now you need to just do it the subtraction. 2 में से 3 जाएगा, it will be 12. 12 में से 3 जाएगा, it would be 9. 3 में से 6 नहीं जाएगा, it will be 13. 13 में से 6 you will get it 7, and 1 will remain like that. 179 upon 42 will remain the answer. But can you tell me that is it the correct answer? Is it the last process 179 upon 42? Can you tell me? This question has little bit logic, जो कि आपको याद होगा. I have taught many times this thing to you, that when you have a question in which you will get minus in middle, पहले आपको उसको rearrange करना चाहिए. The first way to rearrange it. And how will you rearrange it? The number will become 5 whole 2 by 3 plus 1 whole 2 by 3 minus 1 whole 2 by 5. ये भी आप कर सकते हो, या आप लास्ट में भी चेंजेस, सबसे लास्ट में भी क्वेश्चन के चेंजेस कर सकते हो, बट मैंने शुरुआत में ही चेंजेस कर दिया. ठीक है? नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, द नेक्स्ट थिंग, वी विल सॉल्व दिस. तो 5 3 जा 15, 15 and 2 17, 17 by 3 plus 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 5, 5 by 3 minus 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 7, 7 by 5. ठीक है? This is the step which we have taken it now. Now you can see directly you can do 17 and 5 added together 22 by 3. Because why I am taking 22 by 3? Because you know, you can see that both are like fractions. Both are like fractions. So no need to take the LCM of this शुरुआत वाले term में. So now only this will be left. 22 minus 22 upon 3 minus 7 by 3. 7 by 5, sorry, it was. Now let's do it the last step. LCM of 3 and 5, which will give us 15. Now, niche divide, upar multiply. 15 and 3. When you will divide, you will get it 5. And 22 5s are 110. Minus. Again, niche divide, upar multiply. So 15 and 5, when you will divide, you will get it 3. 15 divided by 5, you will get it 3. 5 3s are 15. So 3 you will get it, and 3 7s are comes as 21. So 3 7s are 21. Now let us subtract both of those numbers. It will give you 10 में से 1 जाएगा बचेगा 9, ठीक है, and 10 में से 2 जाएगा बचेगा 8. Now 89 upon 15 will be the correct answer here. And remember, 89 upon 15 को you need to convert into mixed because they will not get solved. ठीक है, it will not cancel now. तो यहाँ पर आंसर आएगा 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are 75, and 75 and 14 will give you here 89. So the correct answer will be 5 whole 14 by 15. Okay, 5 whole 14 by 15 is the correct answer.